Street English Lessons. Today's video is all about asking for and giving directions in English. Imagine you're in a new city. You want to find the bus stop, a cafe, the park, or even the train station. How do you ask, and how do you understand the answer? In this video, we'll go through real-life conversations step by step. You'll hear how people ask politely, how locals respond, and how to confirm the directions. Our main characters today are James, the traveler, and Oliver, the local helper. You'll also meet a few other locals along the way. Most of this video is dialogue, so you can practice listening and speaking naturally. Repeat the sentences after me to improve your fluency. Alright, let's begin our English journey together. Asking for the bus stop.
James holding a small map, looking confused. He sees Oliver standing nearby. James, excuse me, could you help me? Oliver, sure, how can I help you? James, I'm looking for the bus stop. Do you know where it is? Oliver, yes, the bus stop is just down this road. Walk straight for about 5 minutes, and you'll see it on the left side. James, okay, so I walk straight, and it will be on the left. Oliver, exactly. You'll also see a small grocery store next to it. That's how you'll recognize the stop. James, great, thank you so much. Oliver, you're welcome. Have a good trip. Tip. Notice how James started politely with, excuse me, and could you help me? Always begin politely when asking a stranger for directions. Variation 1. Asking again. James, excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you tell me where the bus stop is? Oliver, of course. Go straight down this street, then take the second left. The bus stop is opposite the post office. James, the second left, opposite the post office. Got it. Thank you very much. Oliver, no problem at all. Here we saw the phrase, opposite the post office. Words like opposite, next to, behind, in front of, are very common when giving directions. Variation 2. Checking again. James, to another passerby. Excuse me, could you please tell me where the bus stop is? Woman, sure, keep walking straight. When you see the bakery, turn right. The bus stop is near the bakery. James, straight, then right at the bakery. Thank you so much. Woman, you're welcome. James asked the same question in a different way. Could you please tell me? That's another polite option. Repetition practice. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you help me? Where is the bus stop? Go straight, turn left. Opposite the post office, next to the bakery. Pause between each for learners to repeat.
Finding a cafe.
James is hungry and wants coffee. He sees Oliver again. James, excuse me, Oliver. Do you know if there's a cafe nearby? Oliver, yes, there's a nice cafe 2 streets from here. James, 2 streets from here. Could you explain how to get there? Oliver, sure. Walk straight until the traffic light. Then turn right. The cafe is next to the bookstore. James, traffic light. Then right, next to the bookstore. Got it. Thank you. Oliver, no problem. Enjoy your coffee. Variation 1. Asking in another way. James, excuse me, is there any coffee shop around here? Local lady, Yes, there's one just around the corner. Walk to the end of this street, turn left, and you'll see it opposite the bank. James. End of the street, turn left, opposite the bank. Thank you. Local lady. You're welcome. Variation 2. Asking for food. James. Excuse me. Could you tell me where I can get something to eat? Man. Sure. There's a small restaurant near the bus station. Go straight, cross the road, and it's on your right-hand side. James. Straight, cross the road, right-hand side. Got it. Thank you very much. Man. Anytime. Notice the phrase, on your right-hand side. This is a common way to describe directions. Repetition practice. Repeat after me. Is there a cafe nearby? Around the corner, opposite the bank, on your right-hand side, next to the bookstore. Pause for learners to repeat.
At the train station.
James at a big train station, looking lost. James. Excuse me, which platform does the train to Manchester leave from? Staff. Oliver. The train to Manchester leaves from platform 3. James. Platform 3. Thank you. Could you also tell me how to get there? Oliver. Yes. Just go down these stairs. Then turn left. You'll see signs pointing to platform 3. James. Down the stairs. Turn left. Follow the signs. Perfect. Thanks again. Oliver. You're welcome. Safe journey. Variation 1. Wrong direction. James. Later. Excuse me. Could you help me? I'm looking for platform 3. Passenger. Platform 3. You're going the wrong way. Go back, turn right, and then follow the signs. James. Go back, turn right, follow the signs. Thank you. Passenger. No problem. Variation 2. Asking about tickets. James. Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Oliver. The ticket counter is upstairs, near the main entrance. James. Upstairs near the main entrance. Thank you so much. Oliver. You're welcome. Words like upstairs, downstairs, go back, follow the signs are very useful in stations, airports, or malls. Practice. Narrator. Repeat after me. Which platform does the train leave from? Go down the stairs. Turn left. Follow the signs. Near the main entrance.
Asking in the park.
James in a large park, looking for the children's playground. James. Excuse me, do you know where the children's playground is? Oliver. Yes, it's near the lake. Walk straight for about 10 minutes, then turn left at the fountain. James. Walk straight 10 minutes, left at the fountain near the lake. Thank you. Oliver. You're welcome. Variation 1. Confused again. James. To another jogger. Excuse me, I'm looking for the playground. Am I going the right way? Jogger. Yes, just keep going straight. You'll see it behind the big oak tree. James. Behind the big oak tree? Perfect. Thank you. Jogger. My pleasure. Variation 2. Looking for toilets. James. Excuse me, could you tell me where the toilets are? Woman. Yes, they're opposite the cafe, next to the flower garden. James. Opposite the cafe, next to the flower garden. Thanks a lot. Woman. You're welcome. Practice. Narrator. Repeat after me. Near the lake, turn left at the fountain. behind the big oak tree, opposite the café, next to the flower garden.
Asking at night.
James looking for a pharmacy at night. James, excuse me, is there a pharmacy around here? Oliver, yes, but it's a bit far. Do you see that petrol station? James, yes. Oliver, walk past the petrol station, then turn right. The pharmacy is opposite the bank. James, walk past the petrol station, right turn, opposite the bank. Got it. Thank you. Oliver, no problem. Take care. Variation. James, excuse me. Could you please tell me where the nearest hospital is? Man, yes. Go straight for 15 minutes. The hospital is behind the supermarket. James, straight 15 minutes, behind the supermarket. Thank you very much. Man, you're welcome. Practice, repeat after me. Walk past the petrol station. Turn right, opposite the bank, behind the supermarket. Practice review, approx 400 words. Let's quickly review everything we learned today. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you help me? Where is the nearest bus stop? Is there a cafe nearby? Which platform does the train leave from? How do I get to the playground? Go straight, turn left, turn right, opposite the bank, next to the bookstore, behind the supermarket, near the lake. James finally arrives at his destination, smiling.
Fantastic work today. You learned how to ask for and give directions in English. You practiced polite questions, useful landmarks, and common answers. Remember these 3 golden rules. Always start with, excuse me, to be polite. Repeat the directions to confirm you understood. Use landmarks like next to, opposite, behind, near, in front of. Now you're ready to ask for directions anywhere in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time in another Street English lesson. Bye.